What's up guys, quick video today, how to recharge your AC. BRZ actually didn't need to be recharged, but I figured I'd make a video out because eventually someday the car might need it. Actually I probably won't because I like to drive with the windows down. But anyways, here's the video. You would start your car, turn the AC on high, find the low point, plug it in, and you... What do you want?
Spoon.
Oh. Alright, redo. Basically, you turn on your car, turn on the AC on high, find the low point, plug it in, and then run the AC charger as needed. But there is a possibility that you can damage your system if you overfill it. So do not overfill it. And you can just check the instructions on the little spray can thing.
Hi guys, today we hot.
We hot! We hot!
Let's recharge our AC. Let's go. Number 1. Turn your car. Now let's go. Let's go, Daddy. Where we not going? Where we going, Daddy?
Turn on your AC.
Turn on your AC.
Second.
Turn on AC.
H. L, right there. There's a gauge and it says filled, not filled. Easy, right?
Only to yellow.
No, to the green. Green means good.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Story time. It's kind of an awkward one. So this lady asked if I donated. I'm like, yeah, I donate. I donate 2 times a year. She was like, no. Do you donate your other thing? I'm like, huh? Basically, she was talking if I donated the little guys down there, and I was like, oh, because I had 2 kids. Like, oh, your kids are really cute, and this kid was well behaved at the time. At the time. And so I was like, yeah, sure, I'll donate. What's your address? And she gave me her address. This crazy woman
Daddy.
gave me her address. I never went back. Oh crap, he sees me. You need to pick the red one. Go.
No, red for me.
You blind.
Which one?
Oh crap.
Honda?
Oh no. Oh no. No.
Hey, what?
You got the McLaren. You're supposed to get the 86.
I'm supposed to get the 86.
Come on. Oh no.
This one's a cute picture.
You chose the wrong car, boy. Try again. Throw him back.
And take this card.
Yeah, this one's a good one too.
Hurry.
Oh no, he's already looking.
This card.
Come on, this one.
No, this one.
Get this one.
This one.
Ah!
Red one.
No! You need a Supra.